Insect King, as you know. And today I'm making a new video. And it's not a usual video because the other videos I was making were about my rainforest ecosystem vivarium. But this time it's how I'm going with my crew and I to a place to see some animals. Look, there's Charlie, one of them. Look, we're at the gas station. We needed some gas because, you know, our car needs gas to get to the animals area. The problem is there's an issue with the car, and he needs to open the... Oh dear. But now there's a small issue. One of our crewmates is crying. And plus, that woman over there ain't very friendly. Don't worry, we'll fix the issue soon enough. Guess what? The issue is solved, just as you imagined. Look, we have arrived. I'm getting out of the car. It's an amazing place, isn't it? Something cool. There's a nuptial flight happening right now. Look, there's a queen ant. There's another, and that one has mated because it does not have wings. And there's another. How many there are? Amazing, right? Now we're entering in the main area. I'm so excited. Look, there's Charlie. And here's another, and another, and another, and another. There are so many. I wish I brought some test tubes with me so that I could catch some of them. Look here. This ant is eating another ant. This queen ant is actually eating another ant. I think it's one of its workers. Can you believe how interesting it is? Have you ever seen such a thing? Because I didn't. Now let's see what animals they got. First, I can see plenty of pigeons. Isn't that right? Doves. Charlie?
The doves.
Okay, they're doves. Now I can see some rabbits, bunnies, and
a pheasant.
Yes, a pheasant. And some ducks. Very interesting. Another pheasant.
But that's actually a female.
Yes, that's a female. And that is a peacock. Very interesting.
And the one in the back is a female. And the
Yes.
one in the back is a female.
And the one in the back is a female, as Charlie says. Yes, look, there's a rooster. Very interesting. And look over there, a deer. Oh dear, such a big deer. Yes. And some other roosters over there.
Hello. So right now we are in Romania, Oradea.
And after that, I'm going to Indonesia.
And he's going to be going to Indonesia. They have a beautiful fountains and a lake. Then they have a little house and another I think a little praying house right here in the cabin. It's very beautiful here. This is like a Orthodox church area. They have a playground you can play in and stuff. And yes, it is pretty cool.
Now I discovered this very huge elephantine trail of ants. I don't exactly know what species of ants these are, but they sure are interesting. This trail is going on the entire tree. Very amazing. I got to admit, aren't ants such magnificent creatures?
Right now, we are at the lake, but if you look closely, you can see a frog. It's hard to see, but it's right there.
Now, Patrick is explaining. He's one of my crewmates.
Hello guys, here we have some water plants that grow, that their base is in the water, at the bottom of the water, but we can see them grow at the surface of the water, also at the surface of the water. And I think we'll see how they look like more naturally and more beautiful. Here is the water lotus, one of the most beautiful things that nature has gave us. I really like lotus flowers. They're very interesting and cool. They grow here because of the humidity that the water offers them. The humidity also attracts plenty of insects. If you look closely, we can see some little animals in the leaves of the water lotus. I wasn't expecting that, but we actually see a turtle right now. I don't know if you guys can see it on my camera. I'm pretty sure that's a turtle over there.
Yes. Very amazing, isn't it?
Some amphibians that
Live in Romania apparently, especially in these lakes.
they do live a lot, and they really are some amazing creatures.
Și acum filmează.
Stai, you can see it on the camera. We have plenty of fish over here, and also a water mosquito. Oh, he's running. Pretty cool, huh? Little guy over there. There's a dead fish. I'm not sure of what species they are, but I'm very, very sure that he's kinda dead. Looks like we have found an actual ant,
Yes, you're right.
and it's huge.
It's a major.
As you can see, is kind of the size of a nail.
Oh, it's so annoying, this filming, isn't it?
Yeah, kinda.
Look at it. Isn't it amazing? An amazing discovery.
That amazing discovery is crawling all over your hand.
Yes. Well. Hello. And here we are again. I caught this, actually my crew and I caught this particular frog. And we're gonna release it back into this lake. Okay, here we go. We're gonna release it on the hello. Yes, there's Charlie. He's the one who's gonna release it. Bye, frog. I hope you'll have a nice time. There it is. I think it's happy again.
As you can see, I think it's ready to go in the water.
Yes. And I am gonna. Oh, it's already left.
And here you can see one of its friends.
Yes, but it's a different species.
Maybe.
Yeah. And now speaking of frogs, we caught some tadpoles. I'm gonna show them to you.
So, apparently, one of our crew appears to have caught a tadpole. We will also release the tadpole into its original habitat.
Maybe we can see it better like this.
Isn't that amazing?
It is very fascinating.
It is very cool. Let us go release it now.
In fact, we're not gonna release it back in the wild because my grandma and this crew member does not want to release it, sadly, which makes me very mad at her. Now we're in the forest. Let's see what cool stuff we're gonna find around here. Are you ready to see? And look, there's a damp area, but I don't think there's anything special. Let's see around here. Well, for now,
I saw something moving.
yes, apparently one of my crew members
Oh.
saw something moving.
Just
Okay, nothing here.
a little bug.
Now,
That looks like a rug. That's good to flip.
oh,
Still nothing.
look what's there. There actually was something. A spider. I'm not sure you're seeing. What's this? No. There's a spider over there.
Yeah, I've seen it.
Okay, I guess you guys didn't see it. And look at this log. It's burned. Well, I guess that's all, people. See you next time. Hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like and subscribe to help us produce more. Thank you for watching it.